Let's go, Connor. Can you say thank you? Wait, say thank you. He's like, I'm having too much fun.
You ready?
Let me turn this light.
Get set. You ready? Go!
Yay, Connor!
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go! One more time.
Oh, Connor.
Off. Connor, say thank you.
He's like, I gotta get off. This is complicated. Connor, can you say thank you? I know, that's the awesomest bike ever, isn't it? Connor, say thank you. Oh.
I'm tired. It's been a busy day.
You had a lot of opening presents, didn't you?
We're going to get you a bell for it, don't we?
Oh.
Yeah.
Will you check out your basket?
What? No?
What are you doing with your legs, buddy?
Whee!
Whoa! I think he wants to push it himself. Good job.
Uh-oh.
Oh, is that his new parking spot?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Connor. Bye-bye. Here, look at, you're saying bye-bye the bike. Bye-bye. Night-night.
Say bye-bye.
Let's not harass Echo. Say bye-bye.
Grab Edgar by the face, please.
Yeah, that's not nice. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I love you. Okay.